Looking into what leads to school shootings, the patterns we're learning, and how this could all help keep our kids even safer in the future.
Live from Dallas and Fort Worth, this is CBS 11 News at 10.
There's a new report tonight shedding some light on the connective thread of school shootings. The information comes from Tarleton State University, and it takes a very close and in-depth look at 20 years worth of data. Our Caroline Vandergrift tonight explaining the findings and how it might help prevent future campus shootings.
From Columbine to Uvalde, there have been more than 300 school shootings on pre-K through 12th grade campuses in the U.S., according to a new analysis from Tarleton State University.
After all these school shootings, both political parties, they represent reality as they see reality fit their agenda. We felt compelled to actually look at this and look at it from a scientific perspective to see what we learned from it.
Researchers found some compelling patterns in 20-plus years worth of data. School shooters were almost universally male. The majority of the time, they were a current or former student of the school they targeted. And 63% of them were between 14 and 18 years old, which means most of them were too young to legally buy a firearm.
It puts families on notice that the individuals that are going to go into a school and shoot at a school are going to be using weapons that they have access to.
The data also shows if a school shooter can get inside a building, they are far more likely to inflict injury and death. Researchers say that's a critical point for school officials to consider as they review their security policies.
And then finally, we looked at the fact that most of the shooters were reacting to a grievance, that they had basically that they were angry at the school, they were angry at individuals in the school. They had expressed that anger through social media.
That means schools should take any threats or complaints from students seriously as they work to address bullying. And everyone should report concerning online posts or actions to law enforcement.
We have to pay attention, and we have to give teachers the resources that they need in order to be able to do that.
Researchers say it will take lawmakers, school officials, and families working together to prevent the next school shooting. Caroline Vandergrift, CBS 11 News.